Bra Snip!
Så flink. Skal du få? Here he comes. Så flink. Å, du er så flink, Snip. Mye tøffere enn Sassy.
Flink gutt, Snip.
What about swimming circles around Sassy? Back in his swimming up. Å, du er så flink, Snip.
You might be getting
10
tired.
scores, 10 points for the pig, 1 for Sassy.
For the try. A for effort.
Snip, du er så flink. Who would have thought?
The way you reacted to the little pool we have.
Yeah. So he's a snob. He might like the little pool now.
Yeah, you
But
might.
he can't swim in it, so he might not get that much.
No.
I think he actually likes the swimming part.
Okay.
Can we actually put Sassy on the film here, just to see her?
Yeah, she was in there. She was in it.
Come on, Sassy.
Flink gutt, Snip. Så bra!
Så bra, nå er du flink. Is she holding onto your leg?
No, actually it's not.
That's what she did with me too.
She's just leaning up against it.
That's what she did to me when you came to get her leash.
Yeah.
She held onto my leg.
Flink jente, Sassy.
Sassy, ser du hvor gøy Snip har det?
Maybe take him in.
Yeah, I just want to dip once more and then
Yeah.
we should take them out so